So first thing I want to do is I want to install a new carburetor on this baby. To be able to do that, I got to get the seat bucket out. Yamaha's playing tricks with us. This ain't a Chinese scooter. You cannot just simply unbolt the seat bucket to remove it. You want to see what I'm talking about? There's no bolts. If you've been following, there's that bag of change. If you remove those, you only take off the cushion. So what we need to do is we need to start at the back of the scooter, start with that rack and that top piece of plastic, and we are going to work our way all the way down to that carburetor. That is the next step. Now if you've been following, you already know that we had an issue with this bolt being broke off at the head. Got that extracted, everything's good. So now we need to take everything off. I'm going to start first by removing this rear rack. Alright, lay that off to the side somewhere. A little trick I like to do, these little nuts and bolts, if you can, and they don't get in the way of anything, put them right back where they came from. You'll be able to find them later. Like I said now, we're going to start at the back of the bike and work our way forward. I'm going to remove the beauty guard.
Breaking something else, Tyler!
Trying. This thing's held in by little clips, but it's tight around the oil fill port. There it goes. It's just rubber. It kind of just clips in on itself. Side panel off, set that away. It does take a little bit more time, but I do like to put these screws back so I can find them later. And if you look closely, there's our first seat bucket bolt. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. Get this front part off. 2 screws on the bottom, 1 on each side. Voila. Now I'll take the bucket off finally. That's another 10 millimeter. 4 mounts. Voila! Seat bucket is removed. not too shabby. All right, all my bolts are secured now. Now it's just gonna be a matter of taking the old stock carburetor off, and we gotta pop that bugger on there. So yeah, let's hop to it.